Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant May release. This is day 2. Today we are going to look at a unicorn's dream and a new creative cut in the clouds. Remember to leave a comment on these release videos for a chance to enter a drawing to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available on May 15th. I love a good unicorn stamp set and I feel like I collect them all. And this one is so cute. You can make really cute scenes. You have the unicorns on the clouds. There's separate clouds if you want to add extra. And I also really love the little rainbow that's included. I think you could use that, for different scenes for different stamp sets. The sentiments are dreams do come true and you're magical. I can't forget my favorite one, and I really love the tall one standing up on the cloud, looking all proud. I love that one. I also love the little baby one, and I love the rainbow too. So I have many favorites in this stamp set. Here are the coordinating dies for a unicorn's dream. Also, here is In the Clouds Creative Cuts. We'll take a look at the individual pieces later, but this is like a cloud opening, and it also comes with a moon, a sun, and 2 little clouds that you can add to it for decoration. I will be using Copic markers today to color in the images, and this is like the easiest coloring ever. No blending. I like that the unicorns are white, so I don't have to worry about choosing a color for the body. I would typically shade in gray, but anytime I use gray to shade, I kind of mess it up and the whole thing looks gray. So I'm using RV02 to give a little pink shadow to the unicorns. I just wanted to avoid gray. I'm going to be using, I believe this is BG000, to add a little bit of blue to the clouds. I didn't want them to be all white, so I'm just adding just a little flicker at the ends of the clouds, and I find it easier to color this by turning the paper in the direction I'm like flicking up. It just makes it look a lot cleaner. If I don't turn the paper, it just doesn't look even to me. So I'm just doing that to all of the clouds. And then, because of course we're doing rainbow today, I'm going to start with red. And the red that I'm using is R22. And everything that I want red, I'm just going to color all at once. So when you're done coloring, it looks like you did a lot of work, but it's really easy if you kind of plan out your rainbow colors and then you do each color, coloring all of the things that are that color and then moving on to the next one. So I'm not going to be really worried about the unicorn hair and tail. I'm just doing it the color next to it, and then I'm just like adding another color if there's like more than one piece of hair. I'm not really overthinking it. So for the the orange color, I'm using, I believe, R02 and YR20 for the yellow color. The green is G00 and the blue is BG01. So super easy. I just selected those 5 rainbow colors, and then I'm just like coloring each little section that color. It's really fun to color because the end result looks so cute and it's really not that much work. For the little hooves, I wanted to add kind of like a darker color to just kind of ground the unicorns down. So I'm using C3 to color in the hooves. I wanted to use all the images on one card, but it didn't quite fit. So I'll be making 2 shaker cards instead, but I will be using all of the images that we colored. There are two sentiments which comes out perfect, and I'm going to stamp those directly on the two largest stamped images. This is Dreams Come True, and then also You're Magical. I love it. So here's a look at In the Clouds. You have that cover piece, and then also you have these little extra pieces if you want to use them. There's like a moon, a sun, and some clouds if you wanted to add some extra decoration to the cover. I'm going to add a little ink blending just to the inside of the clouds, just to create a little bit of separation and just add a little bit of color. I am using Distress Oxide ink in Salvaged Patina. This is one of my favorite oxide colors. So we're going to be starting to build our shaker card. So the first step is to adhere your acetate to the back of the card, and this will keep all of your shaker bits inside. You want to make sure that you adhere it fully so it doesn't fall apart. I'm using wet glue here. And then you could either make a shaker card by cutting multiples of the cover and stacking them up. I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive for this particular shaker card. And then I'm just going to put it all around. And then I'm also going to put some additional tape kind of around the clouds, just so the shaker bits don't fall to the bottom. I want my shaker bits to be seen, so I'm kind of creating roadblocks so they don't sink into those cloud areas. I'll be putting in some shaker bits inside the shaker well that we made. Right now, the release paper is still on the double-sided foam adhesive. So while that's still on there, I'm going to put my shaker bits. And once I'm satisfied with all of the shaker material that's in there, I will remove the release paper from the double-sided foam adhesive, and then I will use a white backer piece to kind of seal everything inside to create the shaker mechanism. When you put that backer on, you want to make sure that it's nice and tight so nothing escapes. So I use another piece of paper and I put it on top of it and I press down. I do this because one time I didn't do that and I was just pressing it directly and I got the meanest paper cut ever. So I don't want to repeat that. I've taken all the stamped images and I've put double-sided foam adhesive to adhere them to the front of the card. I really like this cloud opening formation cover die. It's so cute to kind of add flying critters, and I think these unicorns are perfect for this Creative Cut set. In the Cloud, Creative Cuts also includes that sun, that moon, and two clouds, and you can definitely add those die cuts to your scene. I just use the sun because I'm using the cloud stamped images from the stamp set. I really love these rainbow stamped images as well. I think it's like such a staple to have like a rainbow stamp in your set, and I just like the idea of having the unicorns kind of gallop and jump, you know, over the rainbow. I will mount these on card bases off camera, and that is it. I am calling these cards done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting. I will see you guys tomorrow with some more fun Mama Elephant products. I will see you later. Bye, guys.